Every sunrise paints the city with possibility. A new day, new connections, new opportunities waiting on the road ahead. For drivers like John, the first ride request is more than just a ping. It's the start of the day's journey. Connecting with your community while making a living for your own terms is the best part of being an Uber driver. The stories shared, the brief encounters. That's the human element, the real reward. But let's be real, each reward comes with a unique set of challenges. Fuel, tolls, maintenance. These expenses are routine in John's daily life. And then there are the receipts, that endless paper trail, piling up, mocking you from the console, the wallet, the desk. It's the headache drivers know all too well. But sometimes solutions appear when you least expect it. For John, it's a red light, a fleeting moment, a glimpse of something different, Yubilly. And just like that, possibility starts to replace frustration. One quick snap, and Yubilly works its magic. Expenses captured instantly, categorized automatically, organized perfectly. Tax season, that familiar dread simply melts away. With just a few taps, all your expenses are compiled into a professional, accountant-ready report. Say goodbye to the paper chase and welcome to effortless control. Yubilly. Spend less energy on receipts and more on making memories that truly matters.